India is seriously thinking over a new gold monetization scheme. Earlier in 2015, it implemented new monetization scheme, but however, it is discontinued. It was discontinued in 2025 because of various policy fault lines. That's why now India's government is seriously thinking for bringing a new gold monetization scheme as a panacea for various gold problems of our country. Now, as far as this new gold monetization scheme, it will be more attractive because now interest will be around up to 3%. Earlier it used to be up to 2.5. Now it is 0.5% higher than compared to previous gold monetization scheme. Another important thing is earlier only few designated public sector banks were given authority to this gold monetization scheme implementation. Now Indian government is seriously thinking even to bring more all private banks as well as world's largest postal network, so that postal network has penetrated deeply into Indian rural areas where actual gold reserves are there, so that these private banks, postal network as well as private banks, this combinedly can bring more gold into the government, into this use for the government, so that the India can resolve the India's gold dilemma, gold problems. And another important thing is earlier it used to be only more than 10 grams can be deposited. Now it is reduced to even 1 gram, so that people can bring up to more than 1 gram gold ornaments, which excluding this precious stones, etc., as usual, as implemented earlier, so that India has the world's largest gold reserves, ideal gold reserves of around 34,000 gold. If government successfully this brings at least 2 to 3,000 gold, it can reduce its imports for the 2 to 3 years, so that it can save the precious foreign exchange reserves, especially in the form of dollars, so that we can protect ourselves. Our global this Indian economy can be protected itself from the global chaotic geopolitical and financial situations. So India is seriously contemplating this new gold monetization scheme. It will be implemented. This like usually in the previous gold monetization scheme, finally at the end of this period ends. Once this period ends, people can get their gold back, but not in the form of in what they deposited, only in the form of some gold, this gold coins or kaddis, etc., they can get back only, not their ornaments like earlier ornament. So in this meanwhile, this Indian government can use this deposited gold of around 2 to 3,000 tons, which is aiming for used for the this provide for the jewelry industry and other consumers, so that it can reduce this gold imports drastically. So that in this way, new gold monetization scheme is aiming to solve the India's gold dilemma, India's gold problem.